I never thought that I'll ever enjoy this Nobuntu and Menga relationship, but lately I found myself excited on what's gonna happen next. Ladies and gentlemen, it should be there by Umkhokha The Curse. So if you are like me and would like to know what to expect this week on Umkhokha, then tune in on this video. You guys probably remember that Umamzobe had a very tense conversation with Menga, telling him that he must leave and never come back. As a result of the conversation, Menga didn't attend Nobuntu's Umkhokha. So, Utifa notices that Menga was not there on Umkhokha and gets concerned on why he didn't come. And at the same time, Menga defies Mamzobe's instructions and decided to come back and talk to Nobuntu. So, on this week's spoilers, he is seen speaking to Nobuntu, telling her that all he wants is to be with her. I don't know whether I'm being too optimistic or what, but it looks like Nobuntu gave it to Menga, ladies and gentlemen. And here is why I'm saying this. On this week's spoilers, Umamzobe knocks in on Nobuntu's room, and it looks like a lot has been happening in that room between Nobuntu and Menga. But yeah, as I have mentioned, ladies and gentlemen, this video is based on this week's spoilers, so I could be wrong. Also, Umalume is asking for Ntombi's number, so I'm asking myself, could this mean that there's a new relationship loading? Honestly, I think Umalume also deserves some love, man. But to find out what's gonna happen on our favorite telenovela this week, let's keep on watching. With that being said, this is the end of this video. And if you enjoy content on this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.